Hello family investors, today I've got a really important message I would like to address to you all today. I really want to speak about crypto investing. I know it's one of those investing that's frowned upon by many people. I get loads of negative comments, and yes, this is on the family investment channel. I really want to address that crypto investing is very important for the next generation. When I say the next generation, it's essentially our kids. My kid is 6 and 9. I think crypto investing is very important. The blockchain technology, the software development, and the whole ecosystem of decentralization will be the most spoken agenda for the next generation. So if you're an investor and you think that Bitcoin's a scam, Ethereum's a scam, I think you're losing out. So today I want to address this issue, why it's so important. First things first, I want to give credit to Layah on Twitter that I've been inspired by her little short clip here. I can't share it, but I'll leave the link below because I haven't not got her permission. But where she's coming from is the next generation. It's the generation of folks who wants to get jobs, who wants to get on a property ladder, who wants to build wealth. It's almost impossible in such a booming world these days. The rich are getting richer and the poor or the less richer people are not getting as much on the ladder. It's really, really unfair. If you don't have cash, you don't have wealth, you cannot get anywhere. I think it's important because for my kids, education will be so far more expensive. Travel, housing loan, mortgage, they'll be in so much more debt than me. And I'm already in so much more debt than when my grandpa and my parents was. Why is this so important? Okay, let me show you a few facts here. First, job creation. The blockchain, the cryptocurrencies stream is creating loads of jobs, especially the likes of Binance, Coinbase, and also entrepreneur startups in Singapore and South Korea are booming by the week. And number two, soon enough, this cryptocurrency, decentralized finance will spin off to decentralized apps, decentralized social media, decentralized application base that we can apply like for cybersecurity and many, many more. And this is only what we're seeing at the very birth rate just now. So sooner or later, we will see more and more decentralization happening to not just our generation today, but for the next generation forward. Because at the end of the day, we do not like the companies like Facebook, Amazon, Microsoft, Google to control the data that we have because it's so frowned upon by the new generation, and it will be facts and happening for the next generation to come very, very soon. And number three, it's really wealth building. We're living in an age where it's so difficult to get on a property ladder, to buy land, to get jobs that we want without the right degree. Look at me, I'm a finance guy, but I don't have the finance education to get a job on Wall Street, but I'm doing it all by my own through the internet. So this will happen sooner or later. So the only way to build wealth is to invest early, especially invest in cryptocurrency. And now for the huge announcement for my existing followers here, okay? Previously, I've announced that cryptocurrency will not be spoken on the Family Investment channel. I think that's completely wrong. Why do I let haters dictate what I do? I'm making an announcement that I'm bringing Family Coin back into Family Investment channel. I'll open a separate playlist, I'll open a separate banner color, but I'll be speaking about cryptocurrency here. So it's up to you if you want to watch or not watch. I know there were haters talking about family investment, speaking about crypto. And guess what, to you haters out there, if you're not investing in crypto, if you're not investing in the next generation disruptive technology, which is blockchain, then you're missing out. I'm so sorry. If you want to unsubscribe, please unsubscribe. I'm sure you'll come back sooner or later when you regret that decision, because I'm here to share information for free. And the last thing I need is to divert my time. I'm here to share as much information as I can for free. So it's entirely up to you. But now to you followers, I think crypto is very important. Why? Why followers? Remember, I only invest in a few stocks. I invest in semiconductor because I believe Nvidia and AMD will be the next generation for AI drive and also the components that we use. I invest in Tesla because I believe that electric vehicles, solar panels, and everything else driven by Elon Musk is a huge disruption and we need to be in it to win it. And lastly, I invest in the likes of Coinbase, cybersecurity like Darktrace, and this revolves around a blockchain and artificial intelligence, and this is where the blockchain comes in. So why should I not speak about my third favorite disruptive technology on this channel? And yes, I'm bringing Family Coin back in here, and you'll be a different banner, different playlist, but it'll be identifiable, and hopefully this will help you existing followers to learn in this landscape, because at the end of the day, education system, schools are not teaching about blockchain, not teaching about decentralized finance, decentralized social media. But I hope to share this on my platform to you guys, because the sooner we get on this ladder, the sooner we can build wealth. Stocks will bring me my first million. But crypto will bring my second and third $1 million into my account, and I strongly believe it. And 4th, 5th, 6th million will be built by my kids on the blockchain technology. So that's why I'm making this huge announcement. Okay, as of today, end of August, 31st of August, I just want to share that I am huge on the likes of Ethereum. I look at Solana and Luna as a huge movement, but I've missed the train. But well done to you guys who's been on the train. Cardano ADA is starting to move momentum with their smart contracts. But the 5th one that I really like is the Kusama and Polkadot networks, which is giving us opportunity to invest in new startups on ICO. Not IPO, but ICO for coin IPO. So thank you very much. I hope this is clear on why cryptocurrency is important to not just our portfolio, but for the next generation to come. Because it will be one of the biggest disruptors that you do not want to miss. Remember, we're sitting in sort of the year 1999, 2000 for the cryptocurrency boom. We might be in a bubble, but when the bubble happens, it's going to flush out all the nonsensical coins. And soon, the great ones will be standing up tall like giant, like the days of Google, Amazon, Apple. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Like and subscribe, and hope to see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.